Hello guys, and welcome to the first video of our Python playlist. And in this video we will be learning that how we can download the three popular IDEs, PyCharm, Spyder and Python IDE. So the first IDE we will be going to download is PyCharm, and for that we have to go to our browser and we have to write download PyCharm, and then we can see there's the first URL, the first link given is of JetBrains. We have to click on the link, and now we can see it is PyCharm Professional written over here. This is basically a priced version. This is not free. It is a free 30-day trial version, and after that you have to pay for it. And if you are a student or you have an account on GitHub, so you can get this version free, as we can get a license from JetBrains. For that, I will be creating another video. So this is the PyCharm Community Edition. I have already downloaded its setup, so we just have to click download here. And here you go, it is saying that thank you for downloading PyCharm. So I don't want to download it now because I have already downloaded it. So here is our PyCharm community version setup. This is the setup of PyCharm. We have to click next, and then we have to give the destination of where we want to install PyCharm. So I want to install it in the local disk E. I am making a new folder here and I am writing PyCharm. Okay, and next. And here what we have to do, we have to create a desktop shortcut. We have to open folder as project, and we have to create associations.py. Now we have to click next, and then we have to install it. So now, after downloading PyCharm, now we can download Python IDE. So for that, what we have to do is we have to write Python download. Now here we can see we have a link of python.org. This is another IDE. Now we have to download Python 3.11.5. So I have already downloaded it earlier, so I am not downloading it again. So after downloading it, what we have to do is we have to open the setup. So here is the setup of our Python IDE, Python 3.11.5. Now we can see here we can customize our installation, and I want to customize it. And then next, if you want to change the location, you can. If you don't, we can install it directly. And now the installation is in progress. And yes, and now the Python IDE is installing. And now you can see the setup was successful, and now I have to press close. Now the Python and PyCharm are downloaded. Now the third IDE which we can use is Spyder. So what we have to do, we have to write download Spyder. Here you go. This is the Spyder IDE, and here it is downloads written. Download for Windows. And on setup is downloading, you can see. So after downloading Spyder, now we have to open the setup, and we can see it is loading right now. We have to press next, then I agree, then install for anyone using this computer. Next, we have to select the location. I will be using my E drives.